Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a client proposal with PandaDoc, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your PandaDoc account. If you don't have one, create an account using your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the New Document button located at the top right corner. Select Proposal from the template options available. Browse through the proposal templates offered by PandaDoc. Choose a template that best fits your client and your services. After selecting a template, the document will open in the editor. Customize the title of the proposal to reflect your project. Next, replace the placeholder text with your specific information. Include your client's name and company details prominently. Add a personal note or introduction to establish rapport. Continue by detailing the scope of work you will provide. Be clear and precise about each service being offered. Include timelines and milestones to manage expectations. Next, outline the pricing structure. Add line items for each service with a brief description. Clearly state the total cost at the end of the pricing section. Consider adding any terms and conditions relevant to your services. Use the built-in tools to include images or graphics if needed. Make sure to proofread your proposal for any errors or omissions. When satisfied, click on the Send button in the top right corner. You can choose to send the proposal directly to your client via email. Alternatively, you can generate a shareable link. Track the proposal status through the PandaDoc dashboard. You will receive notifications when your client views or interacts with the proposal. Use the analytics to follow up effectively. Once the proposal is approved, finalize the document with e-signatures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.